More than 12 in one, 12 functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, etc. Explore more possibilities by saving your preferred time and temperature. Fully meet family needs, 2-layer even cooking. The oven's 26 quart, 25-liter capacity 1 layer fits up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. Enjoy meals in minutes, 6 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allow cooking up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. Cook smarter. Just pick up your smartphone and tap the VeSync app to make meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy hands-free control of your toast oven by connecting to the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. What's included? 1x wire rack, 1x food tray, 1x fairy basket, 1x user manual, 1x recipe book, 30 chef-made recipes, more on the VeSync app. Search B0B92TPHTV B0B93CMST3, B0B8CNVRX3 for accessories. Easy to clean, external removable crumb tray prevents the backflow of the soup from dirtying the bottom. The non-stick food tray is easy to clean. Requirements: to access VeSync, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is required. The product can only be used with a voltage of AC 120 volts, 60 Hz, which only applies to the US and Canada. The product is ETL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Read all instruction. I have had my air fryer for 3.5 months. I was resistant to use it for certain things like baking and meats, and I had to Google on recipes, although it had a booklet and an app you can use, which I wasn't too crazy about recipes. I am a simple cook, so there were a lot of extras ingredients to them. I found the best way to learn on the thing was to stick to what I already learned in cooking. Now I have learned to adjust the time, but not so much temperature, since this oven browns wonderfully fast. This oven is quite large, so I gave up some toaster space, plus I bought a ceramic tile to set on my old Formica countertop. It does not heat up on outside too much, but manufacturing suggested to protect countertop. Data has been a learning curve, but this old lady loves to learn. It great for toast. Just using the preheat turns toast brown. It dries bread out a good bit booty, like how crunchy it makes garlic bread, which I think is just right again on preheat. I baked a cake in it, and again it tends to make them a little drier, but not so much you can't enjoy. Haven't done many meats, only chicken thighs, which took the same amount of time as oven. French fries are fast. I do mine 10 minutes, but most recipes call for 8 minutes. This oven comes with pan, basket and oven rack, which is nice for the various thing you need them for. Don't really like cookies in it. They seem to flatten out too much even if my dough is cold, edges get too crisp. Going to try hamburgers in it. Haven't tried larger cuts of meat. Doesn't have a rotisserie, which I wish it did. The bottom floor come out to clean, and racks are easy to clean also. Also helps to use parchment paper to collect oils. I have used glass, stainless steel. Really was thinking of sending back, but glad I didn't. Has really saved heating up the oven here in Oz this summer, which is A+.